Hello, everybody. Hello. I'll show you what's inside my bag. Well, this is my bag. It's not it's not Louis Vuitton. It's Longchamp. This one. It's not expensive, but this is Matibay. I use this 3 years already. It's big. You can put a lot here. I'll show you what's inside. This bag is made in France, not in China. Well, I show you what's inside. I'll take it out. Well, this is toothbrush. Copy of my check. My snacks. It's a chocolate bar. It's all chocolate. Chocolate. Plastic Ziploc, a small pouch. Oh, here a small pouch. I put my one here. Oh, camera. For my eyebrow, lipstick, whatever. That's inside of this. And charger. Fork plastic. Small charger. Cell phone stand, spoon. It's makalat my bag. And of course, my wallet. My wallet is not expensive. This is it. What's inside my bag? You can put a lot. You can put a lot with this kind of bag. Not expensive, but matibay ba? Matibay man. Ito matibay. You can put a lot here. Just throw everything like that, like that, like that, like that, and close, close. Oh, so that's it, and this is it. Nice one. Thank you to my niece. She gave me this. It's so very nice. Oh, turn on my uniform. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget. I'm busy. Don't forget.